Today's video is all about practice because getting good at multiplication starts with knowing your tables. So this is an example of a table. For example, if we do 2 up to 10, then we're going to do it like this. 2 times 1, or 2 multiplied by 1, it's the exact same thing, is equal to 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Times 4 is 8. Times 5 is 10. Times 6 is 12. Times 7 is 14. Times 8 is 16. Times 9 is 18. And times 10 is 20. So instead of memorizing, try to see a pattern. Each time we multiply by 2, we are just taking the number 2 and adding it, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You can also think of it the other way around. Basically, doubling the number that is multiplied by 2. So take the number 4. 2 times 4, I just double the number 4, I get 8. If I do 2 times 7, I double the number 7 and I get 14. So let's look at another table, for example. This is the table of 7. 7 times 1 is 7, times 2 is 14, times 3 is 21, times 4 is 28, times 5 is 32 or 35, and so on, and on. Again, notice the pattern. Every single time, I just add 7 more. Now, the only way you can remember these tables is with practice. Here I have attached a couple more example tables for you to look at. I would recommend take a notebook, a piece of paper, and write down all of these tables and practice them. This table, for example, you would do like this. You'd write 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, all the way up to 10, and then write the answers. 6, 12, 18. And you have to know the tables for every number 0 to 10. So in the next video, we'll learn some more tricks for single digit multiplication. But if I can remind you again, practice is key. When you're looking at multiplication, you have to, tricks can help, but at its very core, you do have to sort of memorize all these tables up to 10. It should be muscle memory. If somebody asks you what 9 times 4 is, you should not have to think. The answer is 36. And the only way you can do this is practice, practice, practice. So I will say it one more time. I will urge you to get a notebook, piece of paper, and practice the tables 0 through 10. With that, in the next video, we'll learn some more tricks for single digit multiplication, and I'll see you then.